Today I'm going to be reviewing the Yolibo multi-port adapter. You do have a small manual to show what it's used for and its purposes. So you do have the cord that connects to your computer, to your whichever device that you're using. So it has that cord area, that port area. Next, this can take up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 USB ports that are available. It does have the USB right here. You also have this USB port right here. So I also like that it has different USB ports. You have USB 3.0, USB 3.0. You also have right here USB 2.0, USB 3.0. You also have adapter area for USB-C. Attach it right here. Now that is how I will connect it, and I have all my cables already there in place. So as soon as I connect it, you can see the green LED light indicating that it is now on. The first thing I'm going to see if it works is to test out my cell phone. And I'm just going to clip this in, my cell phone cord in there. And as you can see, it is asking me to unlock the iPhone to use it. So it's recognizing the USB connection. So the next thing I'm also going to check is, I'm going to check, of course, my reader, my hard drive reader. So I'm going to connect it in there. So once I've connected it, you can see on my computer, it's reading my card, and that is the name of my card. So that is good to go. Taking my SD card, I'm going to connect the SD card in there. Let's put it in there. And I can see on the screen, you can see it pop up, and it's trying to read the SD card right over there. So the other port that I'm going to test out is turned on and it's flashing, indicating that it is charging and it is working. So overall, this is a very fast reader. It's a very fast, durable multi-port. Is great for traveling. It's very light, so you can just slip it into your travel bag and you'll be good to go. So overall, I love it. I totally love it, and I think for me as a techie person, it's a must-have.